Hi friends, welcome back Champions Online. In this behind the scenes vlog, 119 minus 119 which equals 0 times 119 minus 119 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0 which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 119 times 119 equals 14,100. Question. So we have 119 minus 14,100. Question. Minus 119. And we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 119 minus 14,100. Question. Which equals minus 14,042. So we have minus 14,042 minus 119 which equals minus 14,100. Question. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more.